We're out here in some trails today, and we've brought out our little project Tinny, which me and Dan have been working on over the last couple of weeks. We're basically just out here testing it out and seeing how it performs. I'm also playing around with the drone a little bit and testing out some new modes. But yeah, we'll show you around the Tinny real quick, just show you what we've got, what we've done to it, and muck around on some trails for a little bit more, and then do a little bit of fishing. And so while I'm here, guys, I'll quickly show you around our little Tinny. So we picked this thing up real cheap. It only cost us about $1,000. It's old, it's a little bit rough around the edges, but the outboard runs really well. And to be honest, we only wanted to muck around with something cheap. We've never welded before, we've never done any of that sort of stuff, so we basically just wanted to have a go ourselves, and yeah, we picked up this cheap little project. Spent about $1,000 on the Tinny trailer and the outboard, and we probably spent $600 getting the axle and the 2 tires as well, and rims, so, and a little bit of money for the lights. But really, we've spent nothing on this boat. The aim of the game is to pretty much tow it around with us up the beach on our trips and wherever we need to go, really. Like, do a bit of off-road with it, and yeah, just bash it around a little bit, not really worry about the thing, to be honest. One of the best things about this, and why I really wanted to muck around and put a new axle and stuff on it, is because I want it to tow nicely behind the car. I want the tires from the trailer to follow the ruts behind the car's wheels as well. So yeah, I did that, and we've got it pretty close. It follows the car nicely, so really, like, when you're towing up the beach and that sort of thing, you don't want your trailer bouncing around behind you, fighting you, trying to get itself in the rut and all that sort of thing. You just yeah, it just bounces around with you heaps, and that's not what we really wanted. For any of you guys interested, all we've done is we've dropped the old axle out that came with it, and we just put this one in place. We put it below the leaf springs so that we can get that little bit more clearance. The guards are just the normal guards that came with it, and we've just made up some little brackets so it can sit up nicely where we want it. And that's literally just about it. That's all we've done. 6-stud Land Cruiser pattern, so we can run a 16x8 neg 22 steelies and just some 31-inch muddies on them as well.